Hello everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Accenture Off-Campus Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers with a salary up to 3.8 lakh per annum. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Accenture is a professional services company which focuses on IT technology and consulting services. Accenture has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having a bachelor's degree from the batches of 2021 to 2023 can apply for this post. The job location will be Hyderabad and the candidates can expect the salary up to 3.8 lakh per annum. The candidates need to review, classify and review all the contents according to the client guidelines. Understand and make decisions according to the client's policies and guidelines. Stay up to date with any changes or policies and resolve it as soon as possible. Trust and safety team need to identify the work opportunities in the workflow. Participate in continuous training programs and workshops discussions. Candidates need to have strong coping, emotional and stress-resistant skills. Ability to perform the duties objectively in the best of the client's interests. Comfort synthesizing and analyzing information from multiple streams and also pay attention to every detail. Be a team player and be flexible to cater to any changes in the business. So hurry up and fill your registration form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the leading information technology and consulting services company. I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.